Oh, you returned. Okay, so now let's look at part 3, the next 15 verbs that are in the past tense that are irregular verbs. If you have any questions, you know that you can always ask me in the comment section or if you need any additional help. If you are my students in class, you can always ask me in our Zoom classes. All right, thank you. Welcome back for the next 15. Now, number 31, sell. So sold. My brother sold his motorcycle last week because he wanted to buy a new car. Steal, stole. That man stole my phone at the park. Tell, told. I told you the answer in class. Or my sister told me a secret. Tear, tore. When I played soccer, I tore my muscle. It hurts. Or Caroline, you know Caroline is clumsy. I am very clumsy. I tore my jacket last night. Maybe I closed my car and I tore my jacket. My car door, my clothes were stuck and I tore my jacket. Wear, wore. Similar pronunciation is war. World War I, war. I wore a thick jacket last night because it was cold, very cold. Another way to say very cold is frigid, very cold. Cost. No change here, right? No change. Look at this. Cost, easy. So how much did the new TV cost? It cost $1 million and you bought it for me. Cut. Same thing here, right? Cut. I cut my finger when I cooked dinner. It was a bad cut, so I needed stitches. Forgot. Oh, I'm so sorry, but I forgot your name. When I go to a party, sometimes this happens. Give, gave, a big long A sound. A, gave. I was sad, so my friend gave me a hug. Or I needed $10 for lunch. So you gave me $10 because you are very nice. Hit. No change. Same thing, same verb, right? The woman hit my car. No ed, no double consonant, irregular. Hit. Short vowel sound. This one, same thing. Hurt. No change. So, ouch. Yesterday, I hurt my back, or I hurt my finger, or I hurt my head because I am very clumsy. Lend. For example, think about banks. Banks don't give you money. They lend you money. Past tense, lent. My grandpa lent me $500. I need to pay him back next month. Or the bank lent me $2,000. Make, made. Many things say that they are made in China. Oh, hello. Come here. You. Everyone, my brother's dog wants to say hello. Made. Many products are made in China. I made this video for you. Shut. Same thing, no change. So for example, last night I shut the window because it was cold. Or you can also say, shut your mouth. It is a little mean. In Spanish, cállese. So the boy shut his mouth because his mom was angry at him. Final one for today. Spend, spent. How much did you spend on my Christmas presents? I spent $800. Wow. So generous. I'm just joking. I would be happy if you spent $8. Everyone, I hope that this video helps you. Stay tuned for the next 2 parts where we will finish the 100 most common irregular verbs. As always, if you need any help, please write it down in the comment section, and I will see you soon. Bye.